Hello friends, very good evening. So welcome back to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Myself Vala here and welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet and intraday how we can effectively use our Google Sheet and a lot of questions and doubt regarding how to use it. So here I'm going to explain you how to use this Google Sheet and it may be a helping tutorial for those who are my Google Sheet user and those who are planning to get this Google Sheet and you watch this video to get more details. Okay, so the first thing which we are using the sheet for finding a breakouts on Camarilla R4. Okay, breakout scanner on the level is about Camarilla R4. It's a Camarilla level, not a normal pivot. It's a Camarilla pivot. It is a calculator already available in free Camarilla calculator. So you can enter into the values and you will be getting the levels for the breakout. But what we have done in this Google Sheet, so we will be taking all the F&O stocks and we are calculating the levels and we are inputting that levels into the sheet and it is real time updating and you will be finding out a breakout rates. So avoiding the false breakouts, so what we are planning. So we are leaving 9:15 to 9:30 candles. The first candle, first 15 minutes candle. Okay, so we are ignoring the trades which is triggered in the first particular time frame. So our R4 level not broken in this time. So that is what a major condition, not broken, and that should be considered as a valid breakout trade. So here after market open we will be seeing lot of stocks which is going to trigger the R4 level, and due to that gap up opening and gap down opening in the market, so many stocks, not all, many stocks which triggers. To avoid that filters, so we will reset the sheet at 9:30. Okay, so whatever the stocks prior first 15 minutes candle which triggered and some of the stocks which is not a liquid, that stocks would be removed at 9:30. So after 9:30, so we will be getting a fresh sheet. Okay, so we are going to find out a fresh breakout by using this particular sheet, and this is what a screenshot which I taken today, and exact time for this screenshot which I've taken is around 9:30 30 seconds, where you can see what time I was taken the screenshot, where I was tried for the screenshot at 9:30 30 seconds. So what I did in this sheet, so whatever the stocks prior to that which triggers our entry point, that I removed from this list. And after that I was just looking at only a fresh breakout trade. So in this case you can look at Bajaj Auto and L&T and DVS Lab maybe. So it is going to update, but at 9:30 I want to focus on one stocks for my trade intraday. So how to make 1,000-2,000 rupees profit while using this Google Sheet for an intraday trade? Simply I am going to explain you in this video. So first stock Bajaj Auto, L&T, DVS Lab, all the three will be there. In this side, Torrent Pharma, Nakuri and Titan would be the three stocks like a call side and put side. So overall market condition also you need to check. Today market would started with 60-70 points down. Maybe put side we can track, and also call side maybe we can track also, because it depends on the individual ability of the stocks, not for the overall market. Even market is down, some of the stocks is went higher. In market is positive mode, some of the stocks are moving lower also. But my suggestion is which side the market is trending or what market is moving, that side we will be focusing for a newer opportunity that maybe we are tracking or we are traveling on the side of the market. Okay, so Bajaj Auto 9,000 would be the first stock in the top list. Maybe the list would be changed, but these are all the list of stocks. From this list we are going to take some good opportunity. You can see this much of stocks. First I'm just going to Bajaj Auto, and this is what an updated, that is what a thing which you have seen, the time is 3:40. Okay, that is after market. So how many stocks which is triggered in a call side, how many stocks which triggers in a put side, that we are seeing here. Okay, so let me check. But now the sheet is changed, and depending Bajaj Auto were in the first 15 minutes 9:30, it was in the top, but after that it was in the bottom almost 257. Okay, so let me check Bajaj Auto 9,000 put call option, in this case call option, where you can see this is what an opportunity where we are looking for an Bajaj Auto. In this case, in the first candle you can see the high of that candle which is greater than our breakout point. So how even we are filtering out stocks after 9:30 with this screenshot. Okay, but some of the stocks maybe in the first 15 minutes can be triggered and then it is slightly lower than the point. But what are the things which you are taken at 9:30? What are the stocks greater than 100%? That is what our breakout point we are removing from the list. So after finding out LNT 3760, so Bajaj Auto I'm just ignoring because the high which made is about greater than our breakout point. If you are trying for an opportunity in Bajaj Auto at this level, so maybe my stop loss somewhere around 36 point and it moves somewhere around 34 points if you are taken in unfortunately if you are taken, but as per our concept for a breakout it is not a valid breakout which I am looking for. Maybe if you are taken on it was generating some 34 points profit and finally it closed with somewhere around 6 rupees loss. Okay, and the second stock where I seen in this case, but I know I screenshot LNT 3760 at 9:30 I was looking for LNT 3760 call option, whether it is given you the breakout. Yeah, why I'm just ignoring such a kind of stocks. In the first candle it is given you the breakout, and second candle if you are taken means it directly reaching your stop loss. There is a pivot is an 80, maybe 6 rupees 90 paisa is your stop loss. That may be very small, but it is not a valid breakout. This is the reason we are ignoring if any stocks which triggers our breakout point in the first candle, where you are seeing there are first candle breakout, but after that it could not able to break the candle high and it was entirely reversed. So if you are looking at this sheet, this particular stock same LNT 3760 put option may be giving you an opportunity, but that breakout where it is triggered somewhere around 73, from 73 it went up to 120, more than 50 points where it is generated. If you are tracking this, maybe at 9:30 itself we are filtering out the stocks for the day. Okay, so almost 49 points, maybe our risk factor is somewhere around 14 to 15 points. Okay, such a good move which we have seen in this first three stocks. And Divis Lab 3740 is the next one. Divis Lab 3740 call option, in this case I'm looking for. Here in the first candle itself the high is 87.2. Here the level for a breakout is 86.7. The breakout point slightly less than the our first candle high, but I just simply ignore because it is not satisfying our conditions. Okay, but it was moving to 116. I simply ignored it. No problem, because I need focus for a 2 to 3 stocks per a day, not to take a 10-15 stocks. It will be not good for a good also. Okay, so these are all the things which is happening after, but these are all the things which I seen in the earlier. So let me check Ambuja 625 in the list. We will see only liquid and quality. Ambuja 625 put option. In this case, 625 call option. Ambuja Cement 625 call option, where I'm just, it was on the top list. So our breakout point in this somewhere here almost 17.75. In this case, it is not given you the breakout. If I'm tracking, it was breaking the S4. Same time, there is a chances for Ambuja Cement 625 put option may be the chances to give you the breakout on a call side. That is exactly happen at 12:15. The breakout point is 15.6. I was taken the first three stocks. Okay, in our list, what is happening on the 9:30? So in this list, I am just looking for a good and liquid stocks only. So here we find out on Ambuja Cement put side, call side we are tracking, that was not triggered, but put side which is given you the trigger and it was giving you one more good movement from that point. Risk is somewhere around 1.5 rupees and that is giving you somewhere around 9 rupees movement. I am comparing the high and closed with 20, that is also be a good movement. And same time, so we are looking at 9:30 put side Torrent Pharma, Maruti, sorry, Nakuri and Titan. So Torrent Pharma is not about a liquid one, but you can check it. Torrent Pharma 2580 put option where I'm going to look at. So I told you earlier it is not a liquid yet. You can see previously it is not traded, simply avoided. And the second one which I'm looking for, Nakuri 6100, that is a put side where I am tracking. Here is the first candle which is already triggered. In the first candle itself it is triggered, I'm just ignoring, but after came down there is a second time re opportunity in this particular stock alone 6100, where 185, this time it went up to 221. So where I can keep my stop loss on the pivot level, so something around 42 points, and in this case it was 34 and closed with 12 points profit from that our entry point. So the next one which I'm just looking for, Titan 3720, and in this case Titan 3720, put option where it is triggered in the first candle itself. You can see first 15 minutes candle, that is a 5-minute chart. So 1 to second candle, it is greater than 80. Our entry point is 77. Okay, so here is the fourth candle which given in the breakout and it moves well, but as per our concept, it is not a perfect breakout. Okay, someone who taken today, so that's why I made a short video regarding this. And but it was giving you such a good move. And one more important that Titan, Titan 3800. It given me a positional trade on today and almost generated 10% from our entry point. So Titan 3800. In this case, 3800 is our strike price. And monthly positional today it is triggered our entry point and that moves somewhere at 10-20%, 10% I think 10 to 15%. Entry point is 364. Sorry, 164. 164 got triggered here almost 10-15 candle and after that it went up to maximum 190. So 25 points move but closed with 183. That was greater than our entry points, so no problem at all. It is about a monthly positional concept based on our monthly strategy. So we are looking in an intraday. So a lot of stocks after triggered. So same Ambuja, TVS Motor 2100 put option. 2100 is a put option which is given you the opportunity at this point of 60 and it went up to maximum 93 and closed with 81. So no problem at all on this. And the screenshot which tell you first three stocks and first three stocks, there is a 2 to 4 opportunity we find out. So this is also be the method you can utilize with our Google Sheet, which we are planned as a scanner that helping you to find out the breakout one which is happening in the first 930 candles. So after 930 candles. So here in the 6 stocks we find out some two call side and put side. So that is almost 4 opportunity. That's good enough. And if you are tracking our sheet on a regular basis, and you will be finding out newer opportunity which is come to the breakout level, you can cross check whether it is triggered or not. If it is not triggered, that should be a fresh breakout opportunity which we are going to use it for our intraday trades. I hope you understood the concept how we are going to use it for an intraday. And if you want to access this sheet, just ping me on my WhatsApp number which shown on this video. And if you want to learn more about our advanced option strategy, just ping me on my WhatsApp number to get more details about the courses, and you can learn the positional strategies, monthly 3 to 4 stocks, which how we can effectively pick it. So that is what the concept which you are going to learn on our advanced option strategy course. I hope you enjoyed this session, and those who are watching, and you can also get this sheet and monthly subscription available to know more about the sheets, and you can get it on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more updates. Thank you so much. Thanks for being with me, and thank you.